Hey everybody, it's Mike here. Welcome to the channel, and of course, welcome to Plasticity. Well, today I want to show you a neat little trick that will be very handy in your modeling tool belt, and I'm sure you can use it at some point, right? Before we do that, I just want to let you know that I recently launched a brand new YouTube channel, and it's all about sound effects, right? I've been recording a bunch of sounds, and I wanted to share them with you guys, right? So if you're working on a game or a movie and you need sounds, you can check it out, and you can use them for free. So if you can find it in your heart to check out the new channel and possibly subscribe, that would make my day, right? Okay, that said, today's video. So what we're going to do is we're going to mess up this top surface, and then I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to fix that. So we're going to jump to our front view. We're going to grab a straight line, and I'm not going to do anything fancy. I'm just going to go in here and make it an uneven surface, right? Let's do that. Why not? Okay, next up, we're going to go and grab this line, and we're going to move it out, hit G. Move it to the outside here, click on OK. Then we're going to hit C on our keyboard for cut. We're going to click on this face right here. That's the projected cut that it wants to follow, which is great. Click on OK. The item is already selected, so we can just hit delete and get rid of that. And now we got something looking like this. Now, if you want to restore this to a flat surface, how would you do that, right? Would you, you would probably hit Control Z or something. But let's say you can't do that. Well, what we're going to do is we're going to be in face mode, and we're going to select all of these. And then what we're going to do is we're going to hit S for scale. We're going to hit Z for the axis we want to use, which in this case is up. Right? And then we're going to go and hit the number 0. There you go. That's how easy that is. Pretty neat, right? And if you don't want to do it that way, you can also use your mouse. So let me go back. So we got this. You can hit S for scale, hit Z, and then you can move it like this. But if you hit 0 straight up, it will be flat. So yeah, you never know when you need something like that, and now you know how to do it, right? Hope you enjoyed the video. See you guys in the next one. Bye.